G'day, we're the Review My VPN team. Today we're going to have a look at the registration and setup for the NordVPN application. NordVPN is probably one of the better VPNs out there in our opinion, and today we'll just take you through a walkthrough about how to register and set it up on your machine. So just taking a look at some of the pricing structures on Nord. Nord, as with many of the VPNs out there, has a 3-tiered pricing structure. You can either sign up for 1 month at a time, 6 months at a time, or 1 year. 1 year obviously being the cheapest. That's the way that I've personally set up my machine, and I would suggest you to do the same. Once you've clicked through and chosen your payment method, you just go through and enter your details. As you can see, there's a screen here, and you go through and you put in your name and your email. You can go down here and choose what plan you'd like to select. We've selected to go for the year plan, as we mentioned before. Now here you can see the range of payment methods which Nord offers. We personally like to go for Bitcoin. It just adds an additional layer of security. Bitcoin is probably the best way to pay if you are going to get a VPN hooked up on your machine. But with that said, there's nothing wrong with going with PayPal, Visa, or MasterCard if that's your only option. So we've signed that up now, and we're going to have a look at our next screen. All right, guys, now we're at our profile page. This is telling us that at the moment our computer is unsecured. We're not signed onto a VPN at the moment, but that's about to change. So now we're going to click onto the Download Area tab, and we are going to go down here and select the operating system that our machine is currently running on. This is going to allow us to set up NordVPN on our PC. So as you can see, we've clicked on the file there and we've downloaded it. And now we should be ready to download and launch NordVPN on our machine. All right, so now we have successfully installed NordVPN on our machine. We are going to have a look at some of the settings that you can have a look at. So the first one, you can see the base settings here, the DNS servers used. And now we're going to toggle across back to our username tab, where we're going to enter our username and our password, which we would have created when we registered for NordVPN. So once we've gone ahead and done that, we're going to click into the log on button, and we should be ready to go. Alrighty, and now up come our server list. Now here we've got our different range of servers. As you can see, there's 2 little tabs you can toggle. We can separate them by country or by server. So we're going to go across to this servers tab. As you can see, there's dedicated servers. There's a range of different servers you can use for different reasons, double secured servers, Tor servers, and then you'll even see here down the bottom that we've got a server that we can actually use for Netflix, which is great if you live anywhere other than the US. But for the time being, we're going to select a server in the US, log that on. All right, now we're back on the NordVPN homepage, and as you can see, we are successfully secured. If you look on the right-hand side of the screen there, you'll see that. So we're going to do one little double check to make sure that we are secured. I'm going to go into the bar here, and we're just going to go and type in this URL and make sure that we are secured. So we're going to jump along here to this site, and we're going to check our IP address. At ipleak.net, a very good site. And as you can see, we are showing up in the United States. We're just going to have another crack, this time setting up from Japan, and we'll see how that looks this time. So I've logged that on, and now we're going to reload this page and take a look at where we show up as from. And as you can see, we are in Japan. And there you have it. We have now successfully set up and registered for NordVPN, all in the space of just 4 minutes.